It's nice to know that we see each other all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Then, you cut off the 2 outer peels. Only keep the middle peel. After separating the peel, you put it on a clean cutting board. Then, cut it into moderate pieces. You will see the watermelon pieces look like pine trees or ice cream sticks. Very special. You can arrange them on a plate according to your preference. With the shape of an ice cream stick, it will definitely attract children. Very useful for children who are lazy to eat fruit, making it easier to eat. Or, if you have guests coming to your house, you will definitely be complimented because it